If you're currently thinking about buying something at BambuLab, it may be a good timing. For their first anniversary, they launched the first big sale, and it's not just about up to 25% on filament, but also some reduced sets. And the best thing is that even the printers are reduced. I'm showing the European prices here, but also US and other shops got these discounts. For example, the P1P went down from 779 to 649, and at the US shop he got down from 699 to 599. And also the X1 Carbon got reduced by €100, as well as the X1 Carbon AMS combo, which went down by €130. And last but not least, also the AMS unit got reduced by around €50. For the upcoming discounts, which are account connected by the way, you have to subscribe to BambuLab's newsletter. This can be done at the bottom of their website. If you're one of the Kickstarter backers, you will get a discount code for different carbon fiber filaments for only $199 compared to $165 or €180 it would cost otherwise. These codes will be released by your Kickstarter number as shown here. Secondly, if you already bought a printer before the 26th of June, you will get a code for 2 spools of PLA carbon fiber for also just $199 instead of roundabout €78. And the last code is another €50 off for an AMS system for all people that ordered a P1P, X1 or X1C but not the X1CC. This code will also work at the current reduced price at AMS, so it will be only €309. And with that, we are already at the end of this super short video. I just wanted to give you an overview on these current sales, and no, I don't get sponsored or anything, I just think that helping others to get infos on how or where to save money can't be wrong. If you're interested in or decided to get a P1P with upgrade parts, make sure you check out my last video and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you keep updated if such sales will pop up soon. I hope you have a wonderful day and happy printing. Cheers, your Tom.